Good evening, Bulldogs. I'm your Kansas Select meteorologist, Aaron Lowery. It's been a nice day today with the sun shining all day, but now the precipitation and that rain is beginning to approach our area. But the good news is we're expecting some snow with this system. And speaking of, we've got some winter weather advisory right now. The purple area is winter weather advisories. Now the pink is a winter storm warning. So the pink areas are under a higher threat level than the areas that are shaded in purple. Currently we're sitting around 50 degrees with cloudy skies, but that wind at 14 miles per hour in the northwest is going to cool us off rather quickly as we move throughout the night. Temperatures across northeast Mississippi right now, 48 degrees in Columbus, 49 degrees in Aberdeen, and 49 degrees in Calhoun City, so the upper 40s and lower 50s across northeast Mississippi. Now for tonight, though, we're going to get down to around 26, 25 degrees, and that's why that rain is going to change into snow by around 1:30 a.m. But then tomorrow, we're going to warm up to around 35 degrees. It may feel a little bit warmer than that because the sun's going to be out, but that gusty wind out of the northwest around 10 to 15 miles per hour is not going to help that condition at all. Now, for the overall temperatures tomorrow morning, we're going to drop down to around 25 degrees in Starkville, 27 degrees in Columbus, and 25 in Aberdeen. So mid to upper 20s across northeast Mississippi for tomorrow morning when walking out the door. But then we're going to warm up to around 38 degrees in Starkville, 38 degrees in Columbus, 36 in Houston. So mid to upper 30s, and it will feel okay because the sun's going to be out. But you still want to make sure you bundle up. And then it's going to cool back off as we move into tomorrow night and then into Wednesday. Now, the rain has begun to arrive, and by the time 1 a.m., 1:30 a.m. rolls around, you're going to see that begin to shift into snow. And that's going to hang around to around 3, 4 a.m. when that pushes out of here, leaving us with around an inch of accumulation on grass and maybe half an inch of accumulation on the roads. What worries me is the rain that comes first. The fact that we're dropping down around 25, 26 degrees means those roads are going to glaze over, making it rather dangerous to drive anywhere tomorrow. Now, the setup for this, we've got a low pressure system up in the Midwest and an exceptional cold front that's moving across the southeast that's bringing rain to start. But as that temperature drops, it's going to shift into snow by around 1:30 a.m. And that's, like I said, going to push out of here by around 3, 4 a.m., leaving us with not too much accumulation, but it's enough for classes to be canceled tomorrow. It's going to be very chilly by tomorrow morning. It will warm up slightly. You can see some warmth along the coast, but not very much in Starkville, especially with those winds persisting out of the northwest. And then it's going to drop back down again tomorrow night. Now for your 7-day forecast, 35 for your high tomorrow, or 39 on Wednesday, but the low temperature, 20 tomorrow night and 21 on Wednesday. This weekend looks to be warming up a bit in the mid-50s and 60s going into next week, but our rain chances increase, which is something that none of us want to see.